Hey guys, Steve Welch here, back with your Tales of a Car Guy, my dual series that's on both this channel and my Fact of the Day channel. So just kind of wanted to give you guys this story. So I used to work for a major auto parts store, and man, there were so many things that happened when I worked there. But I had a older lady come in one time, and she had a really hard time of hearing. It was hard to talk to her, you know, but she had a part with her, and that part was a brake rotor, right? Just a brake rotor. And I looked at the thing, and brake rotors, when they're new, are thick. Each side is thick. This thing, to the fins, was paper thin. I mean, you could touch the side of the rotor, and it was breaking the metal into the center fins. I mean, this thing was bad a long time ago, right? And I looked at the thing, and I was dumbfounded, right? I was like, wow, this is bad. And I looked at her, and I was like, it just kind of didn't have anything to really say. I was just kind of looking at her, and she goes, "It just started making a noise." And I said, "It just started?" She goes, "Yep, just started." It's like, okay. So we made like that. I mean, that we made light of that for a very long time. So, but it was not maybe a week later that a guy came in, and man, if he didn't have the exact same problem, his rotor was down to nothing, right? And I looked at it, and this is a guy who's a little bit more about my age than that, and I looked at him and go, "Did it just start making a noise?" He goes, "Nah, it's been doing it for a while." So it's like, all right. But for the rest of the time that I was at that store, which is probably about 3-4 more years from that point, no matter what we saw, if it was something that was completely destroyed, the question was always, did it just start making a noise? And I never got the same response as that first one, but it was pretty sweet. So, but I will never forget that lady, that response, or the gentleman after it. So it just kind of, like I said, it was pretty fun. So talk to you guys soon. Bye.